Tamaar stitches. In today's class, we're going to be teaching you how to draft simple top. Okay, so first I want to get the length, which is, I'm using length 28. What I'm marking here. Let me make it 28. So I'll now be doing the shoulder. The shoulder is 18, divided by 2 is 9. I'm marking it here. Are you see what I'm doing? Ignore this line, this is line line. This is what we call freehand cutting, okay? Cut a pattern, this freehand. So now I'm going to be putting the shoulder slant because our shoulders are not straight. So I'm going by 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. Come and sit here. This is 1.5 inch for the shoulder slant. Then from there, mark the armhole. The armhole is the same thing with the shoulder. So I'm going to be using 9. You can see it here, 9. So the first thing I need to do now is to insert the bust. The bust divided by 4 will give me 13. It's a very big size. Now give a slant cut like this. Remember, I'm supposed to remove half here, but I'm not doing that now because it's just a simple top. Okay? So from the shoulder line now, the starting line, let me connect the shoulder slant. With the shoulder slant. So this is my shoulder slant. From the starting line, where the shoulder line is, I'm going to be marking under the bust. So the under the bust of this mama is 17. This is my client. So under the bust is where I want to put the under the bust divided by 4. So I'm going to be inserting it here. So I have the bust, I have the under the bust round divided by 4. So I now connect it with my straight ruler like this. Now from here, I'm going to be curving it out. But I will insert the hip first. The hip is 15, which is 60. It's a plus size. So I will now connect it like this. Now I've gotten the hip, the under bust, the bust line. Now I'm going to be adding 2.5 inch sewing allowance. I want it free. So I'm adding 2.5. So I connect back my lines again. Let's see that. Okay. So this is my simple top now. What I need to do now is to cut it off now before I use it to cut the back. This material shifts a lot. If you are watching me up to this time and you have not hit that subscription button, please subscribe and follow this account, follow this page. Where we'll teach you a lot about sewing tips, how to sew. So you can see my freehand top. Now you come to the hip side, you have to slant it a little. So you come to this end, go up by just 2 inches. So now give it a little slant like this. So it doesn't drop down straight. So I'll cut it off. This is my freehand top. So I'm going to use it to cut the back now. As front, you see. Let me get it.